Navigate to the Fairup.com platform. On the homepage, scroll down until you see the options Add Your Listing or Become a Host. Clicking on either will lead you to the Host Introductory page, where detailed information about hosting is available. Upon interacting with any of the action buttons on this page, a registration form will appear. At this point, you have two options for registration: manually complete the required fields or use the Google account for a streamlined third-party registration. For the sake of this video, we will manually complete the form. Before moving on, ensure you've provided consent to the user registration policy. After a moment, you'll receive a confirmation email. Click on the link inside, and you'll be directed to your dashboard, where you're all set to start your hosting journey. By registering in this manner, two user roles are automatically activated in your dashboard: Traveler, the default role for everyone through which you can book your own experiences, and Host, which you've just opted for. You can effortlessly toggle between these roles from the header of your dashboard page. But for now, let's delve into your host dashboard. After registering with Fairup, and before you can upload your first listing, we'll require some additional information from you. Our platform places the utmost importance on ensuring fair and legal trade. You'll be led through 4 straightforward, one-time steps. Firstly, we'll request any outstanding personal details. Next, we'll delve into your business information. While the third and fourth steps, submitting your KYC documents and bank details, are optional initially, we strongly recommend completing them before welcoming your first booking. Otherwise, you will not be able to withdraw your booking payouts. You're now ready to add your first experience. But before we dive into that, allow me to give you a quick overview of the other tabs and features within the host dashboard that have just been unlocked. From the default overview page, you can easily add your listing and get a snapshot of all activities associated with your host account right at your fingertips. This view will get activated once your first listing is uploaded. In the Experience tab, all your uploaded listings will be laid out for you. Here, you can monitor their status and, if needed, edit, freeze, or remove them. The Booking tab is your hub for managing reservations. This space is designed for you to keep track of all bookings, including relevant details and associated actions: booking approval, rejection, cancellation. Please note that every new booking comes with a 12-hour expiration window. If not confirmed within this period, it will automatically expire. Prompt responses not only ensure seamless operations but also uphold your esteemed reputation. Now, for a unique feature we're proud of, the Scout tab. Should you ever feel overwhelmed, pressed for time, or in need of hosting assistance, our Scouts stand ready to assist. These are not just ordinary helpers. Scouts are a defining element of our platform. They're well-versed with the local community, adept with digital tools, and are exceptional communicators. Their passion lies in uplifting local businesses and showcasing the distinctiveness of their regions. So, if you find yourself struggling with crafting, managing, or promoting your experiences, or even communicating with guests and handling reservations, a Scout is your go-to aid. They offer their expertise in return for a 15% fee per booking. The platform also features an option for a complimentary scouting service, but it requires prior agreement with your selected Scout. Once you've partnered with a Scout, they gain access to your existing experiences and can add new ones on your behalf. Essentially, most tasks you would handle can be managed by the Scout for you. When you explore our extensive pool of Scouts, our system prioritizes showcasing those closest to you. This ensures they possess a deep understanding of your locale and are intimately familiar with the nuances and dynamics of your region. Choose the one that convinces you the most with its profile and expertise. Remember, while you can collaborate with only one Scout at a time, you're free to end this partnership whenever you choose, though specific conditions might apply. Next, the Scout Payout tab is crafted to help you track and settle any fees you owe to your Scout per booking, should that be the arrangement. The final tab, the Messaging Inbox. Here you'll find a dedicated space for direct conversations with your Scout or guests. When you're collaborating with a Scout, the guest chat includes a three-way communication feature, enabling fluid and simultaneous exchanges of messages among the Scout, yourself, and the guest, ensuring all are up to date. Alright, now that we've acquainted ourselves with the host dashboard, let's proceed to add your first listing. Navigate back to the Overview tab and select Go to the Experience form. This will launch the Experience form, guiding you through the 7 essential sections to craft your unique offering. Let's fill in the form. Once you've filled it out, submit your experience. Typically, our team takes 2 days to review and approve listings. We hope you enjoy your time on our platform. Should you have any queries, our support team is just a message away.